Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Bip 5 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on the quick panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should be this icon with the percentage basically, and this is the battery percentage. And if you want to enable the power saving mode, tap on this icon, then tap on the check mark to confirm. And as you can see, the message battery saver mode enabled. And as you can see also on the watch face, we have the battery saver icon, which indicates that the mode is enabled. Okay, and to disable the mode, simply wake up the screen, open the quick panel, tap on the battery icon again, and the mode will be disabled. You will see the message and the icon from the top of the watch face will disappear. You can also enable the clock only mode, and this will basically turn off almost everything, every like feature and function on your watch, and it will only show you the time to save the maximum amount of power. And to do it, wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu, scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find the settings icon, tap on it, and then find the option called preferences and tap on it, and here find the battery saver mode and tap on it. As you can see here, we have the battery saver, that's the normal one, but we can also enable the clock mode like I mentioned. And if you enable this, you will see only the clock and the battery, and everything else will be turned off. As you can see, basically we can't access anything else. And to exit this mode, we need to press and hold the side button like this. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the battery saver or power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.